I have brought up from the childhood onwards under the care and protection of St. Francis Xavier. I studied my primary till plus 2. Then I joined the congregation. All the places, St. Francis Xavier is a pattern for us. So since I come from Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, St. Francis Xavier have traveled and stayed in our places. So our side, it's a great devotion towards our great Francis Xavier, our saint. So I really so happy to offer this Holy Mass together with our priest. Especially I thank our Reverend Father Patricio who has given this opportunity. And also I pray for all of you, especially way in my native place, the parish called Mugayur, my mother Shine, where even our priest, our father have given me a relic of St. Francis Xavier a little bit. So I thank him also. Especially, I remember you in my prayers. Kindly remember me in your prayers. Thank you. God bless.